The detail goes in the topic sentence. We do mention it there. And then where does our one detail go?
The answer.
In the answer. Perfect. Because yeah, the topic sentence, we're going to mention it. You're totally right. You're totally right. We're going to mention it. And then we're going to really explain it, that one detail in the answer. We're not going to explain it. We're going to put it in the answer. So, now I've read integrity. We're still attacking Gary Sharp. Thank you. Now we're about to write. Now we're about to write, and we need a topic sentence. And this time, I'm following across. I'm finding that that's going to require one sentence. And here are some options for how I can start it. This is kind of like math, but it's reading. 2 reasons that, and wherever you see the parentheses, you're filling in your own words. 2 reasons that Rosa Parks helped America are, and then the 2 that you found. So can somebody skip down to here and read me across? Just tell me what all this is right here. And then we can stop going over the scary chart. Sinead, want to try? Start with answer and read me across. Explain this to me. Show me you know what you're doing with this chart.
First detail plus the text.
Yep, and so that's, so if I have my answer, so like say, in order to find my answer, it requires,
1 to 2 sentences.
okay, so if I have my answer,
Oh, if I have my answer, it will require 1 to 2 sentences.
yeah, so let me actually rephrase that. To write an answer,
To write an answer, it will be 1 to 2 sentences.
and one way I can write
And
this
one
is
way I can write my answer is
this way.
that way.
Right, that'll do. And then you just have to look at it and kind of insert your words. So, in order to write my quote, give me the next one, Denasia. Yep, in order to
write my quote,
it will require,
it will require 1 sentence. For example, the text states that blah 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 blah.
right. So, in order to write my explanation, Gabby,
Oh. In order to write my explanation, it would need 1 or 2 sentences. Like for this quote, the reader can infer.
perfect. So, can you scroll? So let's do this one. In order to, one more person is here. Can you do it? In order to,
You want me to say it?
yeah, I want you to say, in order to
In order to
write a transition.
write a transition,
It will require
it will require
one what? One, we're in the column called cans. It will require one. Right now, I'm helping everyone learn to use this checklist when you edit. This is beneficial to all. Juwan, I need your eyes on these ones. It will require one. It will require one.
It just said one sentence.
It will require one sentence. Thank you for the help. Like. You got it?
Oh, another reason that.
Yeah. It will require one sentence like. Another reason that.
Another reason that we stayed personal.
Yeah. Yeah.
We
Perfect.
stayed detailed to similarly. We stayed personal because we stayed.
Perfect. That's your sentence starter. Very nice, very nice. All right, we're working through that. So this is a chart for you. This is a chart for you to use when you are revising your OER. Use the checklist. That's why I put the little check. This will help you write it. Okay. Janae, please scroll. Thank you. A little more. Next page. Now we're on the one that says sample. And we're going to try this one together. So this is my checklist. This is my kind of translated checklist. It has all the same parts. So Tanea's going to read, and she's going to pause after the first sentence.
All right.
And everybody's going to tell me how far I can check to.
Okay.
So right now, our eyes are tracking our paper, and we are listening to Tanea read loud and proud. Go.
The two biggest factors that contribute to the spread of colds are when people don't wash their hands and when they don't cover their sneezes.
So what can I check off? Did this person probably read the question? According to the article, what are the two biggest factors that contribute to the spread of colds? Did they? Raise your hand for yes. Did they probably read that question? Yes? Yes, they did. They probably did. They're answering it. They read that question. Does it seem like they found two details? Here, quickly read that sentence and tell me, does it look like they did mention those details in there? In that topic sentence. Did they mention? In that topic sentence, the two biggest factors that contribute to the spread of colds. Okay. I was making this point because earlier you said that we include the detail in the topic sentence, and they did. So I was just making sure that you knew that you were totally right. They do include that detail in this topic sentence. People don't wash, when people don't wash their hands, and when they don't cover their sneezes. So did we find two details?
Yes.
Yes, we're checking. Do we know about quotes yet? Do we see quotes?
No. Yes,
Do we see any quotes yet, Joanna? In that first sentence? Is there a quote? Loud and proud? And Cass? Our eyes are on Joanna. She's telling us whether there's a quote in that